In this video, I will show you how to insert or embed a YouTube video in Canva. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently on Canva and I've just got a blank template loaded through. Now to go ahead and insert a YouTube video, it's actually really easy to do. What you're going to want to do first is come to this toolbar on the left hand side and you want to go ahead and click onto apps. From here, what you're going to want to do next is come up to the top to this search box, and if you just go ahead and type Embed into the search box and then press enter, and what you want to do is select the top app, which looks like this, called Embed. So just go ahead and click onto this. Then all you need to do is scroll down and press the purple open button at the bottom. And what you can now do is go ahead and paste your web link into here. So what I'm going to do is just jump onto my channel and let's take this one for example. So what you're going to want to do is click onto the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause that, and under the video you're going to see a share button just here. So go ahead and click onto that button. Then what you want to do is go ahead and copy this link by pressing the blue copy button here. What you can then do is come back to Canva and paste that into the box here. Once that's done, just press the purple button underneath which says add to design. And what it's going to do is actually add this to your design. So as you can see, it's even added the thumbnail, and you want to make sure when you save this that you do save it as a PDF. If you save this as just like a JPEG or PNG, the link's not going to be clickable. Also, if you are looking to put this on your website, like this sort of design, which you can click, you can also come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the share button, and from here if you come down and click onto more, and what you want to do is look for embed in here. If you can't see the icon, just come up to the top and type embed into the search box. Then go ahead and click onto embed. And then what you want to do is press the purple embed button. Now what it's going to do is actually give you the HTML code. So if you wanted to actually put this design onto your website and make it clickable. So that is how to go ahead and insert or embed a YouTube video in Canva. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.